stingy. From there, no also started say oh follow.
Okay.
To a follow and Timo no send me video say Asantewaa no. Eh trika say emoji.
I get it.
I say wajimpa. So I was like wow. And see from there no who video then no post.
Okay.
How come start when I see some magic no?
Oh, Asantewaa. Unsa there no.
Aha, Poleeno Multimedia, Media, Armstrong Poleeno Ade. And our first time I subscribe to channel no. Neko Instagram Poleeno_com neko follow here because and some near the B2 and near the B2. Until you follow your hoswa now when you update because I have post picture. If you are could be picture nice near the court no or he become a Poleeno_com. Or me in China. Oh. Yeah, if you are now only the answer only TikTok and I only WhatsApp. What I say? Very nice girl, very beautiful girl. And then my first time on Mission. He mean him no for so many years. I heard the videos, I heard the movies, and today no, Messiano come. When you're about fresh girl say that. Once I make a sana, I better because Mamelo. What I say? Asantewaa, me walk over.
Yeah, me dear.
Okay, I me dear say them to me there. And yet the enemy. Why?
Yeah, I'll be there.
And you'll be there with the whole quiet. Emaguma. Maybe I know you have no feeling. Pacho between the application of why.
Yeah, on you.
That's it. And see, minimum you are by the dinkum or Asantewaa. TikTok there, minimum say, you can't first 10 grass my question. First 5. Charlie. I'm more bomb home more than or TikTok or Ghana. First 5 or can't home. Bibi aboko there.
Nyame adom.
Yensiada.
Yeah. Yensiada but yakasa.
Over years.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh Bajuma. Then I do with Pia. I wish you answer.
Aha. I had to see a year Juma.
Fantasy Lao.
Yes, Fantasy Lao.
Who play character bios?
Me shashe. I say me manager kase me there me.
Okay. Management na nkasa there. I just say so kwene. Nti mbacho oje saying na me he na.
No manager am 70.
Oh, Poleeno Multimedia be say ye project we. Oh.
I say me ndem me ho.
Meaning sound there ho, but on say enyoma bi wo ho a unnim. Ebia okay from this to this into more the bar.
I have no idea. I just know I have a percentage say. But
percentage me say.
Yeah, same way you dey share backstage.
Oh, be so. Ebi anya me pen am be say do ye adwuma. Ebi obi so pese o do.
Me manager.
Nti be dey won manager.
Obetime DM me on Instagram.
E won.
Phone number or me Instagram handle obo.
Eno ne dey.
Asantewaa.
Asantewaa.
_Asantewaa.
Enya underscore ba ko no. Underscore e wo Instagram underscore. Enye the boys no ma intro. Enye no. Anambwa. Sense we are can no watch.
Yeah, we Instagram
underscore. Enye ba ko no. And ba ko no dey he.
No dey owo no.
I mean one of the favorite female actors, female career actor, what I say, actors are me show more videos are me impressed. Me one will be sending me video be TikTok. I'm say Asantewaa ni. So they sending me na me catch me manager say on post because yeah Instagram no and na me handle yeah me manager na handle and no posting from there no also started say oh follow.
Okay.
To a follow and Timo ho no send me video say Asantewaa no. Eh trika say emoji.
I get it.
I say wajimpa. So I was like wow. And see from there no who video then no post.
Okay.
How come start when I see some magic no?
Oh, Asantewaa. Unsa there no ye the one ye the me suanti
ye the way no wo
ye the wo ne the wo.
Okay.
Na wajimi anu wajimi.
Wajimi.
So obutimi jimi anu didi ni jimi no ho saa. Na oto we be o se nipa no wajimi but wo no. You don't know what is going on. See, I have it in me. I don't learn it.
Okay.
That's why it comes out naturally.
And you don't force it?
No, I don't force it. It comes out naturally.
Your blood, no?
Yes.
It's my genes.
It's my papa.
My freestyle na and twan common.
Me freestyle
any of them, any of videos are why you know. The favorite one be with me. Aye.
Okay. And they be one my favorite.
Okay.
Okay. This is House Makeup Studio. One of my madam students was called Auntie Shit. He did this makeup from me.
And you?
Yes, that's my favorite, yes.
When you say I'm in TikTok, but me starting video, no, yeah, my start here follow, then me.
I get
and
that
I'm impressed.
Go focus minty on my download the app no.
Because me realize this and run me edit movie be me team and never spend like an hour on TikTok. Yeah. Wow.
Actually, I have spend more time on home.
Minim say na wadam for name am say wa. And ya Jackson. And
yeah.
Wadam for no. Ono mo na start here.
Oh, omo ye. Once omo no mani ncha omo.
Okay.
Nti omo say I can say me they call me mommy car.
Okay.
Me a big girl but me ho na fancy I say my small girl.
Okay.
It's we are cool like that. Yeah, I'm still cool with them.
Okay. Okay. Nti sewa style no. I say recently why or started with the music career no was switching from before. Yeah. Okay, me can say yeah. Was switching from before to a different brand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, where?
Yes, me aware.
And
new brand.
Yeah, and also support it.
Oh, say obiani baby a ofini.
I know so obiani baby. Me support it.
Me support it.
Yeah, brand.
Oh, me, I'm cool.
O support it.
I me support it. Once or no can support it, me support it.
Okay. So will you do that?
Will I do what is doing? If I feel that is what I'm okay with, and that is what I'm good at. One thing is, there now when I'm saying now you are okay at it, like do it and do it well. But if for someone and I say because of obi into koye be dear and but who believe in yourself say when I'm feeling say this is where I can make it. Okay. I'll do it and do it well. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, so say when you school, say what a new producer then. I'm a make a cry.
I'm a cry.
The customer. Hit him.
Open row. Matimemaro. See, my new project no there. Very nice and interesting. Okay. Everybody has to watch it. Cause now say me name series I say it will keep you busy. Like when you come to me abeshe it's on Asantewaa TV.
YouTube, Facebook or
YouTube.
Okay. YouTube auntie say what video na see about Asantewaa TV.
Yes, and subscribe.
Okay. Picture na that was a profile picture. Because say be an Asantewaa TV maybe an
Asantewaa TV me nkwa na me wo ho.
Okay.
And they will see my videos then.
Okay, and a title on here.
Not your regular couple.
Not your regular couple. Okay. Until the battery more. Your boy, not the normal guy, the normal couple relationship.
Couple relationship and planning our normal level.
Different vibe.
Yeah, so that's my latest project.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the idea behind?
It's about our daily endeavors, but this one is, there is an exception. Okay. There is something particular about it. A demo shonko. Okay. And yet say obia dieno. But and also it happens. Okay. And also we are just not following the normal trend. Maybe a series video say you need to watch it.
Suspense room.
Very, very, very much suspense. A lot.
Right. Until Robin or player, me say na enko for be me. Your boys fantasy love set so I say. Yeah, Jamaica key. Eja. Omo branto ka obekita ngofo ka kisa ni abeje Charlie. Nti ose
Ruben and me play Salma. I was called Salma in the series. And Salma is a very interesting character.
Okay.
You guys would love to watch. Omo dummy that down. Omo share the kind of role I played in this one.
Okay.
And I was married in this one.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a young wife.
Okay.
So we are a young couple.
Series ninja na Rihanna.
We know. My worry was series name.
But anunti na was mucha na mo twa
Ye gusu twa.
Nti anunti na wa hye
we know the metai she. Metai de bi am she.
Nti kabum nyum na oboy ne ye na ware na enye wo lie.
Oh, my worry oh. My worry.
Nti obo ma ye nom sa no.
Mo no obo ma.
Okay.
Na so nim say my worry.
Minim.
Na wo say
I have phone nim.
Omo ka say bisa me mo.
Oh, obi ehun ring na say na obi hwe.
Poleeno.
Wa hwe wo feel sa nti wa hwe ring ni sa nti wo twen say mebisa. Ti number say clear.
Okay.
Nti krache. Ore what? Ore enye live ya. O de DM me. Me pick one ya mo. Why? Me twabe. Ti there, wow how we feeling there. Hit me back door, Charlie. And I ne kan no.
Bachelor no other.
So what worry into your buy emfa?
Obetimi de me pie.
Obetimi no pie. Ukunu me pie sir.
My husband oyo ti asefo. Because some me fan person odi me pie.
So I was even wondering say acting now worry no. Okay, say
the he's very much okay.
Rose I will play you better so mu.
No, he's okay. He's very much okay. Say series na ye make us some watch sia. Yes so me mu.
Say me say obi a press obi nipple be yeah, trailer.
But he's cool with it. Yeah. He understand your adwuma na say Poleeno what your adwuma na say.
Me dem metia say but I say yes mo worry bebre na e good because of the nature of the work, you know.
I've been married for 3 years now.
Wow.
Yes.
And you're okay.
Yes, he's
very
very
much
nursing
okay. School, no?
Married nursing school.
Wow.
See, I'm a nurse.
But how do you know what to change? Say that me go school now.
What's me that to change? That me practice as a nurse.
Oh, really?
Yes. Today is my off day.
Oh, okay.
See, sometimes me blend me share say maybe 2 days me work off and me call tra sini.
Oh, okay. And the one bo Ghana me dem abo mo kasusuro. Me IT me anam so. Means me enye juma bia.
The way you fight hunti.
Yeah, and then we are helping the system. And you may be nkoyi ya na ebeka.
Yeah. Yeah, nyamu so anke ni.
And see, you can say adwuma no, when is it coming out? And then when it will?
Episode 1 is already on the channel.
Okay.
Yeah, the trailer is there. Episode 1 is there. We have some mighty people, mighty faces we are going to feature. Okay. And this is by the director of Folk Boys.
Okay.
You know what's a Folk Boys?
Folk Boy, yeah. Na me couple sugar titi. No man.
Sugar titi. A lot of people are into.
Okay.
Oh, it's a Folk Boys. Yeah, stars baby.
Yeah.
And it's from the director of Folk Boys.
Okay.
So many air packed.
Okay.
Yes, I can't talk about air packed.
It's more like be releasing every Monday, every Tuesday, every
Friday.
Every Friday. Time
6 p.m.
6 p.m. More shows them this or there. Ghana time 6 p.m. because.
Mama tia say because once I to me here, Poleeno me no me have me go share because be a yenye I say you upload name tin of account ho. And I would have phone.
Me who would that video no. Yeah, me would that video no. And what a person name Merinda ne. And all share how Ghana networks no. I didn't do MTN there no. All the straws be brushing, but we ain't work to now on them.
See, go ni Vodafone. I'm more the straw bet to me anum. Ebeko. But MTN straw na enko. To ane komu nyom be reaka ho. Ti just omo bone go na.
So utri man so mboy ka.
Utri man so omo mboy ka pa.
MTN for we the mosuma. Shame ya we ni
masa. Asma papa mi.
Say waka.
Papa mcho. Enyam na me kan ye.
Now why you home video?
You say we try on the free.
What say? I Poleeno Multimedia, so subscribe to the channel and subscribe. What's it? Na ahankwa na obenya interview bi say free roll what you say. Media so I'm strong Poleeno there. Ko Instagram na ko follow. Ye petenke. But why are you? Because you're starting like last month, need 2K paper within a couple of years.
Ghanaians are very supportive.
Yeah, per 10K by the close of next month. Yeah, and see, hard na eko fully. Asantewaa yebeko.
Yeah.
Final words. My
final words. I'm very much grateful to Obia.
Okay.
Especially my family. And Obia will support. Obia will share my video Dabia.
Okay.
I'm very much grateful to them. I'm very much grateful to Paul's GH.
Okay.
I don't know them from anywhere, but they keep posting me.
Oh, nice.
And other platforms, West African celebs, Poleeno for like Odono Edo.
And yeah, they end I say.
Na me that way.
What they die in chemu.
And then me that musumu chemu. Me that Obia say like. The love is so deep. Me to me cry messages the cry does me to me read it. Why I dear keep it up no. And me who pa but a door so me me so a finger back open to me to me. But me who ni na me da massive brave. And I won't disappoint you too. Yes. So keep supporting the brand Asantewaa. Okay. That's a brave.
Na akra na diseng.
Oh, my private life.
Bye bye.